Hi, my name is Mr. Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Bob Ross style landscape painting. We're going to be using actually acrylic. Bob Ross uses oil, so we're going to change a few of our supplies here. And this is just regular copy paper that I put that on for my palette. This is just a piece of regular mat board. You could use chipboard, cardboard, lots of different things, of course canvas. Here's some of the brushes and tools that I'm using, just a flat brush, fan brush. And this is actually a clay tool that I'll be using for a palette knife. You can get some plastic palette knives, or if you have the metal ones, that'll work too. Here's a water bucket. This one actually has two reservoirs, so it actually has a clean and a dirty side as well, and of course some paper towels to be able to dry off our paintbrushes. That's really important to make sure you have paper towels. The first thing I'm going to do is on my palette I'm going to be mixing up a sky color. I'm going to take a little bit of this white right here, and copy paper is great to be able to mix on because of course you could just throw it away. You don't have to clean any palettes. And then I'm going to grab some of this kind of teal color here. I'm going to mix this in. There we go. That's the kind of color I'm looking for. Now here's a little tip I want to share with you. You can get the right color, but you don't actually have enough paint. So you want to make sure that you have enough paint to be able to paint with on your canvas and not just mix up on your piece of paper. The copy paper will soak up a little bit, but that's fine. So there you go. Doesn't have to be perfectly mixed. There's the color I'm looking for. Now I'm going to go to my canvas, go to my board here, and just start spreading it out. This will be a nice sky color. There you go. Don't worry about any mistakes or anything like that right now. We're just covering it in one color. Go back and grab a little bit more paint here. You don't need to cover the whole thing because it's just the top part for the sky. There we go. Make sure you get a nice even coat there. Sometimes you have to kind of dab the paintbrush there. There you go. Now what I'm going to do, without even cleaning up my paintbrush, on my palette, I'm going to grab some of this red. Now I do want to share this with you. This red is kind of a cooler red. What I mean by that is it's not like an orange type red. I'm going to put some of that on my palette here. Not a whole bunch. This red's really powerful. Grab some more white here. There we go. See how I just kind of draw that out just like that? There we go. Maybe a little bit more white here. I'm going to come through here. I start just below my blue here. Then I start mixing it up. It creates this beautiful violet. Almost like the last little bit of the dawn. That beautiful violet. There we go. Just like that. Notice how I blend it in evenly there? There we go. Just like that. And again, this is your painting. You can add a different color if you want to. If you want a sunrise, maybe you add some yellow or something like that.